Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to this amazing channel of ours. And today guys, I want to say you all look amazing. I know I can't see you, but I just want you to know that you look amazing, you look beautiful, and it's amazing having you back to this channel again. And I know guys, I haven't been posting for a very long time, but we're back. Woo! Yeah, so today's video is going to be about makeup. And disclaimer guys, I know I have deleted like all my videos ever since I started YouTube. Yeah, I did that. Why? I don't know. I just woke up and felt like I'm confused element. I don't know what I'm doing on YouTube. I'm just here today. I feel like posting this, tomorrow I feel like posting this, and I post. So I decided to get away with all those videos and start on a new page, on a fresh page. So this channel will only be about vlogs, vlogs, and beauty and fashion only. No more, no less. So, and on the vlogs, it will be about lifestyle, blah, 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 traveling, all sorts of things that I will enable you to see, the things that I will allow you to see, right? So without further ado, let's just get into the video right about now. I don't want to talk too much. And today's video, as you all have seen from the title, is just a simple glam makeup that you can walk around with and go out with, yeah? So without further ado, let's get into the video. Remember to subscribe, to like, and leave a comment. Thank you. For beginners, I'm using these two type of moisturizing cream. You can use the one that you feel like is comfortable for your skin. So if you want to know the type of moisturizer that you want to use for your skin, for makeup, you can go and check out and search for that, because I don't know. I just use this because I find it comfortable for my makeup. So let's get into it. Understanding, you respected every boundary. Wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know what you're doing to me. So for beginners, I like to go in with these two types of foundation. It's the Maybelline Fits Me, New Fit Me, yeah? So in the number 190 and 365, I like mixing these two because it makes my complexion easier and so beautiful. So if you feel like you have my complexion, you can get the two and enjoy the what? The results. To hide them away. I'm thankful you opened up my... So we are done with our foundation. We are now going in with our concealer, and it's also instant eraser wine concealer, multi-usage. Yeah. So for our concealer, we are just going inside our eyes like that, on the outer side. Just simple as that. So we're just going to let it set for a minute or two. Even that's too much, just a minute, and then we will back to blend it in. To blend it in, really, to blend it in. Since I had said we are doing a simple glam makeup, I'm going to use my concealer on my eyelids and a little bit of it. So we're going to use eye primer and a little bit of concealer. So let's just get into it. guys, we are done with our eyebrows and our eyeshadow. So we have already applied our primer, and right now we're just going in with a simple eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this brown and some little bit of maroon. Yeah. So let's get into it. So brown will be my outer shade. Wow. So this is how the outer shade looks like. So I'm just going to do an inner. Okay, let's just do it here first. So using a clean brush, we're just going to remove the excess eyeshadow on the outer sides. So that's how our first eyeshadow looks like. So the other eye, I'm going to do it out of camera. So let's go and do it.
Understanding, you respected every boundary. You so accepting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know what she's doing to me. I'm blossoming. I'm blossoming. To hide them away. I'm thankful you opened up my understanding. You respected every boundary. You so accepting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know. I'm blossoming. 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 You know I was better off than afraid. My home, I used to hide them away. I'm thankful you opened up my understanding. You respected every boundary. You so accepting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know.
So guys, this is the end of the video, and this is my final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the video till the end. Please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about my makeup today. So guys, that's it, and this is good to go simple glam makeup that you can go to with anywhere you want to go to. Yeah, so till next time, bye guys. Toodles.
I was better off than afraid. My hopes, I used to hide them away. I'm thankful for understanding. You respected every boundary. You're so exciting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still.